Good morning. We're about to do the Forts Walk, or otherwise known as Wambu in the Aboriginal language. Got a 4K walk, but what's special about this walk, it's going to take us up to a fort which was built in around Second World War, and also very special is the koalas that we will see on the walk. So come along with us and see what we can check out.
Let the man go as well.
Yeah. Now you're recording. Okay, we've got a kapok flower and it is edible and it's got a lovely light scent, but the fruit that it provides is not edible, and once it dries out you can actually open it up and it's almost like cotton, so you can use it for fluffing up pillows, or stuffing pillows I should say. Yeah, quite unique.
Behind me is the powder keg. Now, having read the sign, I don't really read it as holding powder per se, but it did actually have about 400 projectiles and they weighed about 43 kilograms each. So you'd be building up muscle just loading up those projectiles, and they were a bit of a safe distance away from where the guns were, and they would transport them up to where the guns are.
The huge guns were mounted on large rubber front tires on the circular cheese and chained to the outer concrete rings. The guns could rotate 360 degrees and were extremely accurate, with a range of 18.3 kilometers beyond Cape Cleveland. They protected all approaches to Cleveland Bay. So we are here at the Nerve Centre. They had a big telescope here and they would look out and check out to see who was coming on their way. And there was a fateful incident once when an American ship was actually passing through and they didn't realise it and they sent out a missile, but they didn't hit the ship. Oops, that was close. Anyway, here is where they did all their communication with Castle Hill in Townsville to notify them if anyone was on their way. We have just finished our loop walk. As you can see, we started here. We went all the way up to the fort, came around to Florence Bay and made our way back on the road track back to where we were. Just remember, on your next hike up to the fort, you take plenty of water and watch out for all those koalas. There's plenty of them along the way. You just got to keep your eyes up to the sky. That's all from us today. See you on the next one. Bye.